Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia, is a vibrant and culturally rich destination offering a unique blend of history, architecture, and natural beauty. Located on the banks of the Mekong River, Phnom Penh is known for its stunning scenery and bustling urban atmosphere. Whether you are planning a trip or just curious about this charming city, a drone view of Phnom Penh will reveal the beauty of the place from above. Being the largest city in Cambodia, Phnom Penh is the cultural, economic, and political center of the country. It is home to numerous historical sites such as the Royal Palace, the Silver Pagoda and Wat Phnom, showcasing the rich Khmer heritage dating back centuries. Phnom Penh is becoming increasingly popular with travelers attracted by its unique blend of traditional culture and modern development. With a growing tourism industry that caters to all types of travelers, from historical sites to culinary delights, it is no wonder that Phnom Penh continues to be a popular destination for those looking to explore Cambodia. In conclusion, Phnom Penh is a city that seamlessly blends tradition and modernity, offering visitors a unique travel experience. With its historical landmarks, vibrant street life, and cultural heritage, Phnom Penh remains a must-see destination for travelers in Cambodia.